Hi, I'm Carolyn, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to freeze tomatoes. I use these for my soups and for if I'm making a stew and I want to throw a few in, or really you can use them for anything. So all you need to do is wash your tomatoes, grab a freezer size bag. I'm going to use a gallon bag because when you take your tomatoes out, you can just pull out 2 or 3 at a time. And since they're nice and dry, well, try to make them nice and dry. Mine are a little wet still, but that's okay, as long as they don't stick together. And we just fill our bag up, and that's really it. So you can pull out 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, throw them in your soup. When I take mine out, I usually just cut the end where they are growing off the plant. I leave the skins and all on. If I'm making a stir fry, or if I'm making a roast or throwing something in the crock pot, you might want to cut them up a little bit, but you don't have to. I use them whole all the time. And I'm not going to quite fit a whole gallon here. And that's it. These can go right in the freezer, and as I need them, I can pull them out. I hope you like this edition. If you do, just follow us on Facebook, like our page. To find other cooking and canning and freezing segments, you can find them on our Facebook page and our YouTube channel. Thanks so much.